dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue sky.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Ugba, and here I have all my ingredients. So here are all the ingredients I'll be using today. I have kanda, which is known as bomo. I have Ugba, and I have onion, Cameroon pepper, aromat, ogiri, prawn, and this is potash known as akam, and I have palm oil, and I also have otaze leaves. So finally I have spinach. I'll be using it to garnish everything when I finish.
You turned toward me and looked so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. This time we got out. And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're shining forward, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're shining forward, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. Shining forward, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Shining forward, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild.
Wow, the aroma in the kitchen is so beautiful right now. So now I'm just adding ogiri, and I'm going to stir. And the ogiri's main ingredients in this recipe, this will bring out the traditional taste in this Ugba. So it's very essential in this recipe. So the next thing I'll add is utazi. Utazi is also good because it will give it the bitter taste, just a little bit bitter taste. So now I'm just going to add cooked kanda, known as bomo, with stockfish. I'm just going to add them now and stir. And I'll just add everything and stir. And after that, I added a pinch of aromat. And I'm adding ugba just now, which is the main ingredient in this recipe, batch by batch. And I'm going to stir properly. So here I'm just adding the remaining scotch bonnet, and I'm just going to add a pinch of Cameroon pepper, and I'll stir. Wow, this looks so beautiful and rich, you know. So now I'm just adding the remaining ring onion, which I sliced earlier, and I'm just adding the ugba, and I'm being careful not to allow the water go inside. And I'm going to stir. It looks good. Very good.
Stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget you. I can never shake you off. You're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off. To say you move on, I know I don't belong in this fantasy world I put